Hey there. This is just a quick reminder that you may need to look at your security arrangements as soon as possible. Winter is fast approaching, so now is the time to take action. It's too late to take preventative measures when the horse has bolted, so to speak. Alarm systems are now very affordable, so with that said, we have no excuses. The best form of attack is defense, to use that well-used cliché. So be ahead of the curve when it comes to protecting your family and possessions. Our monitored alarm security systems are wireless, which means no wiring whatsoever. Contact us now at 0834 054037, and we will do the rest. Leave it to the experts. The facts speak for themselves. Surveys suggest that a home without an alarm system is 4 to 6 times more likely to be broken into. Don't have yourself become another unfortunate statistic. Act now. You'll be glad you did. The next time that you go for a stroll, look up at all of the houses in your neighborhood. You will see that the majority of them have alarm systems in place. The time is now. Don't hesitate. Pick up the phone and we will do the rest. You can then rest at ease, knowing that you have done the right thing. Talk soon. Bye.